back at Mosquito Lagoon, and I was going to do a couple of smoking videos today, but we're having 25-mile-an-hour winds and actually 30-mile-an-hour gusts. So we're going to do something a little bit different today. Going to make some grilled cheese lobster sandwiches, but we're going to do it inside. What I've got here in this bowl, a couple teaspoons of parsley chopped up, got a half of a jalapeno, and then it's starting to get mixed in. But what I've got here is the top from one green onion, all chopped up. I'm going to also add about a teaspoon of minced garlic, roughly. Okay. And I mentioned we're down here at Mosquito Lagoon, so every dish I make, I got to clean up, and I don't want to do that, so I'm going to try to minimize the number of dishes. What I've got here is a stick of butter that I've cut up. I let it sit out for about an hour. It wasn't soft enough, so I put it in the microwave for 8 seconds. What I just want to do is get this butter mixture all mixed up, and when I get it good and evenly mixed, we're going to use it for these lobsters. Now, there's one other thing I forgot to put in here. Let me go get it. I've got about, what would you say? We're gonna put about a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Okay. Now, let me just get this mixed together, and I'll show you how we're going to do these lobsters. I've got 4 lobster tails that I've just sliced in half. You can see, right? And what I'm going to do is just take a little bit of this, if you want to call it compound butter that we made, put it on each lobster tail. Okay. And when I get all these guys dressed up, I'm then going to move these into the oven under the broiler, because like I said, we're doing everything inside today, and get them cooked up. I told you we were going to broil these. We're actually going to bake them. I got the oven set at 450 degrees. The reason I'm not broiling them is because we're camping out here at Mosquito Lagoon, and the broiler in this oven didn't work. I didn't know that. It's been 17 minutes. These guys are all done. Just going to sit them down here. We're going to let them cool off. Once they're all cooled off, we'll pick them out of the shells, and I'll show you what we'll do next. All right, first thing we're going to do is put some mascarpone cheese on both sides of this bread. How much? How many teaspoons? How many tablespoons? I don't know. That was a couple of knife spreads on that side. And we're going to have a couple of knife spreads on this side. Okay. Oh yeah, yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay. Then I'll put a little romaine lettuce on there. Chop that lobster up. Let it cool down. Took it out of the shells. I'm just going to split it evenly between 2 sandwiches. Yes, sirree. Okay. Now here what I got is a little smoked Gouda and a little smoked Gruyere, or Gruyere, however the hell you say it. I made this cheese a couple weeks ago in a video, so I'll definitely put a link up above here if you want to learn how to smoke the cheese. Okay. Then we're going to cap that guy off like so. Let me make up the other one, and I'll show you how we're going to grill these guys up. Just going to take, what would you say it is? Teaspoon, tablespoon of some of that awesome compound butter we made. Okay, you can see we got our butter all melted. I got this burner on medium. Don't want to cook it too high because we want all that cheese to melt through all that thick bread. It's probably been about 2 minutes. We'll flip it over. Oh, it's looking good. Nice and toasty. You can see we lost a little lobster there. That's a bite for me. Let me get this one off of here. We've got our grilled cheese here. Let's cut into this guy so you can see what it looks like. It didn't quite melt as much all in together as I had hoped. And just get it around here so you can see it. Alrighty, let's give this lobster grilled cheese a taste. Holy smoke. It's creamy. Lobstery, of course. But I'm glad I used the smoked cheese because you get that smoked flavor. This is one of the best sandwiches I've ever made. Absolutely delicious. I'm not so upset that we weren't able to do some smoking today. If you get a chance to make one of these lobster grilled cheese sandwiches, I really hope you'll give it a try. Thanks for watching another one of our videos. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comments section below. If you're not a subscriber already, I hope you hit that armadillo pepper icon and get subscribed. Holy crap, it's good.